Today is July 8th, 2011. And we're looking at a big rainstorm here in the Marshall Islands. This is one of the biggest rains I've ever seen. And this is Anya and I all went. She's drying herself off. There's a veritable river here flowing just because of the enormity of rain. And the kids are playing in it, enjoying it. This is a fun thing for the kids. Oh my goodness. A lot of rain. A lot of rain. Holy mackerel. Look at all that rain.